this place is beautiful.
This place is like so fresh, bro.
Yeah, like it's new and it's beautiful, man. It's amazing.
Yep.
Dang.
That right here.
Yeah, there's a driver right here. Round 3. So hey guys, today I'm going to Maryland. You know, one of my friend brought the sushi store. He brought the other one. He got it on before he got it on the Pennsylvania, but now he brought the other one in the Maryland. So we're gonna see there. You know how it is. So hope you guys gonna enjoy this video. Comment down, you know. Sunny day today. It's really good, you know. The sky is blue and weather is beautiful today. It's amazing. Only the best. What the hell is that, man? We got a downhill here. Beautiful farm. Amazing place, you know. How beautiful this place is. So after driving about like 7 minutes, I'm finally on the highway. So now this highway, like I think we gotta go keep this straight. Wow, the weather is really beautiful. Like after a long time. There's a blue sky. Most of the time it's cloudy nowadays. I don't know why. But today is like amazing. Today is a bunch of cars too in the highway. I made a lot of video in this highway. All the time when I go to work, I take the same route, you know. Plan B, manter a fancy. Rambi nani dancing. Traffic, man. Still got 93 miles, 1 hour 30 minutes. Got a truck behind us, you know. Yo, 1 hour 30 minutes still to get there. That's like far. I think the Maryland is like not a huge state, like it's a small one. I think I seen on the map, like, and it was like I was trying to find the Maryland, and it was so tiny. Like Pennsylvania is like a huge one, you know, like only the. And I tried to find the state of the Maryland, and it was so small. I think it's a small state. But I think it's beautiful. Dang, I can't beat this weather. It's so amazing. Guys, keep watching till the end, you know. I gotta make like 100,000 views on some of the video. I never get 100,000 views, like, you know. Like, comment, you know, share. Let's make 100,000 views on this video, man, so I can start to get money. Like, my channel is still not monetized yet because I don't got the hours, because I usually do the, you know, the short videos most. Like, I upload like a lot of short videos, so that's why like I got a bunch of views on the short videos. But like, it's still like it's hard to monetize from the short videos. We gotta get like a 10 million on the like a 6 month or something. So like, I'm trying to make like a long video for blog so I can try to monetize my video. It's like a 3K subscriber now, and this video is gonna be like a high quality because this one is recording from the 4K on the GoPro. I brought it like years ago or something, and the quality is really good. I watched the video before, the same video I will record it from this one, so the quality gonna be good. So, you know, please guys, comment down below how you like this video, share with your family, you know, friends, everybody. Let's make 100K views on this one. Let's make like a 4,000 hours, and let's make some money. You know, it's been a long time, bro. We gotta make some money from YouTube. Like, I put a lot of time, but it's hard to get monetized on the YouTube, bro. So we gotta do this on this video. It's beautiful weather and it's greenery. That's the best part of the, you know, in the Pennsylvania. That's like a lot of land, you know, farming, jungle, and it's greenery, and it's a huge state, like, you know, it's like, I think, one of the biggest states in the US. We gotta keep this way, you know, make the state beautiful, green, jungle, you know. You can tell how beautiful this place is, and the land is like, you know, is a vast, and like there's a lot of farming going on. It's not like a much of the state. Like, the people come from the other state and they say like, you know, it's different than that one. Like, the place they go, they live in here is like different, and it's beautiful. That's what we want, you know. We gotta keep the green. We're protecting from the global warming. Blah blah, like that. We got a bunch of traffic on the other lane, man. That's like ocean, man. I hope when I come back, this thing gonna be look empty, you know. I don't wanna get in the traffic, man. That's gonna take like 3-4 hours. Still 1 hour. Almost there, man. We still got 39 minutes, almost there. We're still on the Pennsylvania. We're driving for like 1.5 hours, and we're still in the drive, you know, in the Pennsylvania. That's crazy. That's how you know like how big the Pennsylvania is. We're almost there. We're like 30 minutes now. Dang. But we're still in the Pennsylvania. That's the crazy thing. We're driving for like a hour and a half like that, but like, you know, the Pennsylvania is never ending, bro. That's huge. This state is huge, bro. Like, and all our farming, you know, I see a couple of houses, and most of the time I see like a lot of farming area, old house, you know. You can see all the farming only. now. We almost there. Like it's 15 minutes right now. You know, it's been a long drive. I feel like it. That's a long time. You know, I didn't drive for 2 hours straight. So we almost there. It's in the Maryland. We're still not in the Maryland. It's almost like 2 hours. I'm driving. I'm still in the Pennsylvania. You know, that's amazing. And hopefully we gotta get soon there. We're gonna go. I hope like that's the right address I'm going. Like, you know, I don't want to end up in the wrong address and drive again for like hours. I hate to do that, but like I hope it's not gonna be wrong address. It's in the Maryland, brothers. Beautiful weather, sunny, fresh, you know. Now the winter is coming, like this all green tree gonna be, you know. It's gonna be dead, I can call that thing. Like, damn, this way like all a truck only. Like I see like 100 trucks in the lane before. Right now it's like now you can't see it, but before like that's like only truck. Like you can see in the other lane. There's like a bunch of truck coming in, going out because of this street, you know. I think like, so the transportation between the Maryland and the Pennsylvania is like a man is like in this way, you know, this highway. So like there's like a bunch of truck going back and forth. And like before, like one truck almost got me, you know, like he didn't see me and he just tried to turn left, and I was like, dang, I just hung that guy. Corn farm. We're here, guys. 3 minutes. Yeah, I think that's the place right there. Messy Bloody or something like that. You know, we got it here. It's great. This seems nice. This place look nice, and it just exit the highway and you got it here. That's crazy. It's like one exit, you got it in the right place. I hope I'm not in the wrong address, brothers and sisters, you know. There's a McDonald's. I'm hungry. I'm already hungry. That's a Chipotle, Roger. Everything is here, man. Wow. Hyundai dealer, outlet, grocery. Dang, we are here now.
You said you hungry, right?
Yeah.
Come buffet, bro.
Record now, bro. So we are here on the Maryland. I don't see any. It's the Martin. This guy brought the store here. It's called sushi.
Oh, look.
Yeah. Damn, someone is singing there. Amazing. It's Halloween here. Wow, this place is beautiful.
Yo, this place is like so fresh, bro.
Yeah, like it's new and it's beautiful, man. It's amazing. Look at this store. You know.
I make a
Yeah, this thing made by this guy. You made this thing too?
no. It's come from the company.
This all thing this guy own it in this place. Wow.
This place better, right?
Yeah, this is way more better than before. And it's new, bro. Like record, bro. It's recording. So now I want to try. This guy make this sushi. Like I can't try in the store because there is a song is playing. So you know, I don't want to get a copyright. But this guy made this one, the sushi. You see?
Oh, show it again. The sushi show again.
You
Yeah,
see?
it look good, bro. Your camera.
Yeah, the camera is like 4K, so like Let me try it, how good this thing is. Oh shit.
We should bring the chopstick or what?
Nah, bro, I like it from the hand. Like that's the real thing. All right, I want to try.
How is it, bro? This sushi is better than before, man.
Oh my god.
I know, right?
Real, bro. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, and you know, like it's kind of spicy and this crunchy thing. Oh my god. Yeah.
Well, don't eat all, bro. We go buffet, man. You know.
Oh my god, bro. It's good.
Save it, save it. You cannot eat later at night.
Yeah, let me eat
Go
one more,
buffet, bro.
one more. Oh, bro.
Yeah. It's cream, you know.
Yeah.
I put the cream.
Damn, this guy gonna be one day sushi king.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn up.
Is
Everywhere is free.
damn, this place is beautiful. Yeah. What are you gonna eat, bro? Where is it? Plate. What I got here. Clean up. We're gonna eat. Alright, we're gonna hit it. Maryland Chinese buffet. What is this? Yeah. Fantastic. Damn, I was so hungry, man. I just wake up and can't. We're gonna buy, man. Come on. Oh, I love you. Round 2 starting. Got a fries. Was it spicy? I don't know. Yeah.
Spicy?
Nah. That one is spicy. This is good. Round 1 is done. This is round 2.
Round 2.
Yeah. Oh, finally we eat the buffet. Amazing. I was so hungry. So we go back to this guy's store, you know. Bro, shit, what are you looking for, bro? That's crazy. Aldi is Aldi. Damn, Maryland got the old train, bro.
I think
They, you heard some sound is coming, bro.
I think we can go inside.
Yeah, let me see. What is this? Let's go inside, bro. This place is crazy as shit. Oh my god, that's a Maryland, bro. Oh shit. Oh. Damn, it's
Oh no, this train, other one is running.
this thing is running, bro. Hey, let me see. Let me see. Let me go there.
Go, go, go.
Hey, look how big this train looks. This is the old one. That's what we do, you know. Come, bro. Why are you scared? Nobody's here. Dang, I heard a sound, bro. It's running. Dang, this thing is crazy, bro. Watch your stare. Man, the engine is crazy, you know. So weird, you know, in the Maryland, in the old city, bro.
I never been here too, you know.
Yeah. Hey, it's crazy, bro. I don't know, bro. They're gonna kick us out. Oh my god. We lost the way, bro. Damn, bro. How big this thing is. It's crazy. Alright, Russ. You drive a train?
Yep.
Damn.
That right here.
Yeah, there's a driver right here. Oh man, that's crazy.
You're gonna make a lot of money, bro.
Yeah, bro. Damn, this thing is crazy, bro. Look.
Bro, the old one is like too big, bro.
This is like a long time, like it's a question. The wheel, look at the wheel. That's the one is running. You heard a sound. Bro, like only one guy can drive that thing, bro. Like
I don't know. No, he's gonna drive. Look, take a video right here.
nah, it's gonna take a long time, bro. It's not a car like he just go and he start and run, bro. He got a time. Dang, look how this thing is going. Dang. This is crazy.
It's good, right?
Yeah, bro. Look how big the engine,
So
bro.
you're gonna have a lot of view.
I wish, right? So you know we gotta make like 100,000 views on this one. It's crazy.
This is how you have to make a YouTube video, right?
Yeah, you take a picture, bro. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Man, that's the thing. What you did, bro? Then this is the thing is get locked, you know.
Safety first.
Yeah. Hose. I don't know. This is amazing. That one is running right there. You can hear the sound. It's like like that shit. This is a red one. Yeah, you can go under.
Take the wheel too, like. Take.
You see.
Come. Oh, bro.
That's
the how they call it, the
rushed.
rat.
That's the rush.
He's running now.
He's gonna run. Yeah, he gonna honk so bad, so don't go closer. Like, you're gonna be like, "Wah!" Yeah, let's go from this side, bro.
Why? It's too big, bro. Let's go.
I don't think he's gonna come. Like, he's gonna say, like, get the hell out from my way. Look how big this thing is. Yeah, you know the people, they go under the train, right?
Yeah.
And they go to the California, like a lot of places. I saw the video. But this thing gonna run.
If you talk the guy, really,
Yeah.
maybe he can show us inside, you know? Did you say like I'm the YouTuber like that?
I got a 3,000 subscriber, right? That's crazy.
Yeah, he can. I think he can show you like inside.
Oh, man, this thing is running, bro. You scared the shit out of me, bro. Bro, that's crazy. My guys, right there. No, that's the 2 engine. That's the one and that's the other one. That's 2 engine right there.
They're carrying something.
Yeah. He's gonna run now. This guy, this gonna be long. Yeah, let's go from here. This is the place we came from.
Yeah. Why this guy not even check? Like, if the people stay on like somewhere,
Nah,
you're not gonna know, bro.
What is this?
Oh.
Oh shit, bro, they're gonna kick our ass, bro. Alright. This is called Maryland.
No, he run. He's not even on, bro.
Yeah. Nah, he's not running. He's gonna take a time, bro. Like. Alright. Alright, it's fun, bro. Like this place. Damn. He's running. This guy trying to look. It's gonna take a couple times. They're gonna warm up the engine, you know, everything. And we park our car right there. So guys, all is done. I see the sushi store. We went to the train, so you know this video is gonna end here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, you know, comment down below, you know, share with your friend, family, everybody. We gotta make 100,000 views on this video, you know, no matter what. Let's share it, you know, let's do this one.